Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A3 versus the Volkswagen Jetta. We'll explore what makes each of these compact sedans a compelling choice for different drivers. We'll dive into their distinct personalities, from the A3's luxurious feel to the Jetta's focus on everyday practicality. Get ready for a detailed look at what sets these two popular vehicles apart. When it comes to performance, the Audi A3 generally offers more potent engine choices, with its base engine producing 201 horsepower. This contributes to a more dynamic and engaging driving experience. The Volkswagen Jetta, on the other hand, prioritizes fuel economy, with some trims achieving an impressive 40 miles per gallon on the highway. While both offer a comfortable ride, the A3 often provides a firmer, more athletic feel due to its suspension tuning. Stepping inside, the Audi A3 typically presents a more upscale cabin with premium materials and a sophisticated design. You'll often find advanced infotainment systems and a digital gauge cluster. The Volkswagen Jetta, while not as luxurious, provides a very spacious interior, offering 37.4 inches of rear legroom, making it comfortable for passengers. Both models come equipped with a range of modern technology and safety features to enhance your driving experience. Considering value, the Audi A3 typically comes with a higher starting price, often around $39,495, reflecting its luxury positioning. The Volkswagen Jetta, however, offers a more accessible entry point, with models starting around $24,220, providing excellent value for its features and efficiency. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize premium luxury or practical affordability. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.